Our team is running some conservation projects for amazing wildlife in Argentina, like tapirs and giant anteaters. Our lab manager, Anna, had some close encounters with wildlife there a few months ago, and she's been waiting ever since to get this package that she needs to take the next steps for the project. So she was so excited when the box showed up.
What's it gonna be?
She said it was like Christmas in July. It has samples in it that are going to be really important for unlocking big questions in wildlife research using DNA. Now it turns out this box is just full of worms, and not like earthworms from the garden, the types of parasites that can cause like horrible infections. So check out how she responds.
Okay. Wow. A little banged up. Okay. Ooh, postcard. Aw. Ooh. Stickers. Yay. Aw. Here they are. We've got the mother load.
She's so happy. These tubes are full of worms, and the worms aren't just any worms, they're parasites that come from wildlife. These creepy little creatures are a really big deal for understanding disease and using cutting-edge DNA research to help wildlife. We just posted another video showing how incredibly hard it is to get samples like these, so check that out and stick around on the channel to see what we learned from them.